Our very first hike in Madeira is Rabassal. It's situated, well, we're living in Porto Moniz, and it's about 30 minutes from there. And now there are a few things we would have liked to know before we start this hike, so we're going to pass it on to you. We've just finished it, and so the way it works is you park at the parking. Google Maps will tell you where the trailhead is for this called 25 Fontes, Fontes, in Rabassal. And the way it works is you park on top of a hill, and you can either walk down for about 30 minutes to reach a casa. They call it Casa do Rabassal. And this casa has a cafe, it has a bunch of good pastries, and from there are two hikes. There's a waterfall called Risco, and there's the 25 Fontes. There's also another waterfall called Vento that you can take from there. But if you want to see something if you want to go see one of those hikes and don't want to do the half-hour walk down and half-hour walk up, there is a shuttle service that picks you up at the gate of the parking, drives you all the way down every 10 minutes. We're here in January, so I don't know if it's the same all year round, and that will cost you about €3. So depending on how fit you are, how much time you have. What's nice is, as you can see, the Casa do Rabassal is a nice point where you can take a snack and just rest. And if you love birds, you can think about bringing a little extra food for them. They'll come and eat in your hand, no problem. They're beautiful birds that just love to eat in your hand. So we recommend the 25 Fontes trail. You also see the waterfall Risco from that trail, and we're hoping on this vacation that we'll come back and do the Risco and the Vento one. Catch up on that later. We are on the trail of 25 Fontes near Rabassal, walking along Achadas, and we come upon a little glimpse of Risco Fall.
Yeah, we're just like making your life a little bit.
Look that way and down. different springs falling into a basin. Really cool.
Don't laugh at me.
Never. We're laughing with you.
So
I'm not laughing.
what's the dilemma, Brie?
Moms on their phones trying to take pictures.
Where'd you go?
There.
On the terrace?
Yeah.
There? And?
It's nice.
Here. That's gonna have a sandwich. We are eating passion fruit cheesecake after doing our very first hike on Madeira, 25 Fontes. And we're at this cute little Rabasal restaurant. Recommend it. Super good passion fruit cheesecake. There are bathrooms here too.
And the birds are trying to get to them. Shannon's found the local wildlife again.
We stopped at a Miradouro in Cabo and drove quite a while down to the city and then to a church. And there are there's one Miradouro that is really worth seeing. And we tried to hike to the second one, but it's really far, so we don't recommend the second one. But from the church down to the cliffside, you can't miss it. Super great.
So we are at the Teleférico das Achadas da Cruz. We went down a cable car and walked around a cute little city over there that you can't see. And now we're gonna go back up.
We're at the bottom of that cable car that's coming down. It comes down a cliff 1,476 meters. It takes 5 minutes. And it brings us to this kind of shabby city. The city has no way in or out except for the cable car. It doesn't even have a port. The only way they can come out is through a helicopter.
Don't go too fast now. Good time.
Let the people out first, eh?
I let them out already.
Invisible ones? called a prego sandwich. It's apparently the Portuguese typical sandwich. It's basically a steak with a lot of garlic, ham, tomato and salad in a... tastes a bit like an English muffin type bread. Super good, I like it.
So we came to the Porto Moniz natural pools, but they're closed due to conditions. I guess it's too dangerous. You can see the waves coming into the pools right there.